probably use for the milk coming into the holidays. Who's excited?
Sweet.
Okay. We melt it down into the creamy bechamel sauce. The butter, we melt it and other things. But I'm not doing that. I'm making a light roux for a mac and cheese. But you want to get close enough to Wisconsin, they squeak a little more. That's literally the protein squeaking against your teeth. Will develop a slightly higher butterfat content in your milk.
Okay.
Barns, we don't need to leave them out.
Thank you. And
don't have to use anything that's too concentrated. Whole milk, correct. So in the summer, when the tide works, you're putting tomatoes in. That's blue crab from the Chesapeake that you're putting in there into that linas. You have all crab and corn. You've got okra, you have rice. We're talking gumbos, jumbo. It wasn't just about making something delicious. We wanted to keep that stuff good. Team Eric.
what are we having now?
Alderwood pulled smoking. Abundance out here. If you're over in, we try to go to get everything. So if you have, what you can do is take us inside right over here to Bully Sausage. We'll talk about the price. On the counter, I will go off the grill. Time the entire store out, and I'm getting here at this point. Preservative stuff that's in the sausages and the roast to go with it. This preservative's going on in there. You gotta grill those right away. I buy them today, I'm gonna grill them today, but then killing all the good stuff here that gets killed if you use it. Really to keep that quality up where his sauce. Today, I have for you the Cajun chicken sausage.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. All natural, all fresh off the grill. Oh shit. That's probably not.
Pepper, garlic, powder, salt, cayenne. But my wife, she doesn't like heat, so I leave that one just for you.
Thank
this
you.
one more red over berries and corn.
Cherries and corn.
Rainier cherry is the sweetest of classic milk chocolate covered cherry. You've got a big cherry that's been glazed for the outside. Pecan. That's a pecan that's been roasted in honey. Glacier National Park through Washington State. Ingredients as opposed to like, I don't know, else, right? You're taking that CO2, you're taking, that's what we have featured here. We put the ice cream right on top of the soda. It could be orange, it could be cherry, it could be a classic vanilla. The ice cream and vanilla soda.